Sailesh Ranchod. Sailesh Ranchod, the light switch. The light switch, Sailesh Ranchod.
Thank you, Madam Contest Master, fellow Toastmasters, and honored guests. I was sitting with my wife in the living room, and I just sat there and I just asked her a question. I said, what would you do if somebody just walked in and just dumped a bunch of trash right here in the living room on the carpet? She started looking at me a little funny. What are you talking about? I said, what if somebody just vomited all over the carpet right over here? What? The thing is, we are protected, she said to me, she said, that's why I have a door there. I don't just let anything come in there, right? We have this door for a reason. What is the most precious real estate that we have? You know, here we are in California. It's a very precious real estate country, right? But what's the most precious real estate? It actually occupies less than 1 square foot. It's the real estate between our ears. It's the one we live in 24/7. But we leave that door wide open and we let things get trashed. We let somebody vomit into it. We let things happen into our space, and we don't treat it like as we treat our precious home. Fellow Toastmasters, the light switch. So a couple of years ago, I'd heard this beautiful story by this motivational speaker. His name is Guy Finney. And he talked about this little kid. He was sleeping in his bedroom, and his mother is sleeping in another bedroom far away. In the middle of the night, he just wakes up. Mommy, 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 mommy. She comes running in. What? Turns out, what happened? She's like, monsters. Right? She's like, there's no monsters. See, there's no monsters. He's like, go back to sleep. She turns the light back off, goes back. 20 minutes later. Mommy, monsters. This happens 2, 3, 4, 5. Finally. 6th time, when he says, mommy, she yells from her room and says, son, you're gonna have to learn to get up and turn on your own light. I just love that story. So many times we're waiting for someone else to flip that switch on. We're waiting for somebody else to remove those monsters, right? What are some of the monsters we're grappling with, right? Here we are at Toastmasters. How many people have a monster of the fear of, oh my God, if I get in front of people, what if they're going to judge me? They're going to evaluate me. What if I screw up? There's so many different monsters we're constantly grappling with. Anxiety, fear. We're in a world of social media. Oh my God, I don't look like that. There's just so many monsters attacking us. Who's in charge of that light switch? Who's in charge? Am I in control? Or am I at the effect? Am I actually in charge in the moment? Because it's a moment-to-moment choice in terms of realizing that I actually have the complete control and ability to get up and flip that switch. Just like he said, we all have that amazing potential to shine. You know, I love this. If there's a moonlight and you turn on thousands and thousands of lights, will it be daylight? Just that one sun comes up and all those lights become nothing in front of that one sun. So what if we could learn to flip that main switch, which is the essence that we're born with? Let it radiate, let it shine, so bright, so powerful, at all times, never succumbing to those monsters that are creeping up from every little angle, but always being your true essence. So I wrote a little poem here titled, The Light Switch. What are your monsters? How can I take charge? Each time I see a light switch, a reminder, an anchor, an opportunity to choose. Do I succumb to the monster? Or do I turn the switch? Let the light flood in. Let it permeate every cell, every molecule of my being. Let it radiate. They say, give a man a fish and you fed him for a day. But teach a man how to fish. You fed him for life. So may I use this light switch in my mind to always keep it on, to always protect that most precious real estate, to recognize there is no precious space that I live in that's my home 24/7.